Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. Today I'm going to do a quick and easy beautiful entryway decor using my Gallery decor items and some Easter decor that I get from TJ Maxx. This is a partial video collab with Javy Coffee. Guys, I'm a coffee lover and I have a extreme busy life. I always use products that make my life easy. In this package, you will find 2 straws, and the thing I like the most, there's a straw cleaner. I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below for you guys to check it out. Okay guys, let's make some coffee. After adding the ice, I add my creamer. Guys, let me tell you more about this coffee and you will fall in love with it too as well. This is a 100% microdose coffee from concentrate, and this little bottle contains 37s. Yes guys, 37s for this little bottle. And this coffee also is 100% Arabica artisan roasted. Guys, you just need your ice, water, and creamer. If you don't want creamer, you can just do it black. My early morning made super easy with Javy Coffee. Thank you, Javy. Okay guys, let's get back to work and keep on watching. Guys, I wanted something super simple and yet very elegant for this Easter. And I'm changing everything inside the house. You know, I always start with the entryway. And if you are new to this channel, welcome. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first to know. If you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so right now. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for all of you, and keep on watching. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know in the comment down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, like it, and share it.
Be my fire, take my hand. You wanna stay in the promised land where all the things you want to feel you are. Chase them.
Okay guys, I'm working on several projects right now, and I want you guys to be the first to know when I post them. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. I want to say a big thank you to my subscribers, to my viewers, to all my family and friends, everyone that watching me around the world. I want to say a big thank you guys, and want to let you know whenever I'm counting my blessing, you guys are a very big part of it. Thank you so much for taking your precious time watching my video today. That is the end of the video. Thank you so much. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.